the multiplier is just 1 over 1 minus b plus bt plus m minus mt. Because we could just pull this out and multiply it times the numerator. And then this would be the coefficient. This multiplier would be the coefficient on A, I, G, X, and minus E and MD. And also minus BD. It would just be the coefficient. In this case, if you calculate this multiplier for some reasonable values, you'll find the multiplier is much lower. For example, suppose the marginal propensity to consume is 0.8. Assume the tax rate is 0.2, 20% tax rate. Assume the marginal propensity to import is 0.1. Now, with these assumptions, you calculate this multiplier by plugging in, and what you get, you can check me on this, but what you get when you make all those substitutions is 1.85. Notice how much lower the multiplier is now in this more realistic model than it was in the simplest model. In the simplest model, the multiplier was 1 over 1 minus b. If b is 0.8, multiplier is 5. In the simplest model, the multiplier was 5. Now, the multiplier is 1.85, dramatically lower. Okay. And the reason for that is in this model that we're currently dealing with, we're taking into account taxes, which is really a leakage from the expenditure stream. We're taking into account imports, which is also kind of a leakage from the expenditure stream. And that's why we're getting a multiplier that's so much lower. Because imports, some of the money that consumers spend goes towards imports, which doesn't stimulate domestic activity. And some of the income you receive is taxed. So that also reduces aggregate demand. So you get a much lower value for the multiplier. Yeah?